Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today I'll be doing an introduction to air quality monitoring.
Air quality monitoring is an assessment of examining and recording the amounts of pollutants such as carbon monoxide, lead, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and particulate matter in order to determine the quality of air in a particular area on a regular basis. The importance of air quality monitoring is to evaluate the amount of pollutants in the air, to give ordinary citizens air pollution data on a regular basis, to examine the whole effective and the emission control strategies for air quality research purposes, to observe the trends of air quality in a particular area, and also to help in establishing air quality standards and guidelines. The types of air monitoring include screen surveys, continuous monitoring, and sampling air quality. Screening surveys are a type of air quality monitoring that gives quick results of the concentrations of pollutants in each area. The technique is of low cost and very effective. Continuous monitoring includes a visit to a permanent ambient site and compliance monitoring site. Sampling air quality can be differentiated into 5 main types, mainly passive monitoring, active sampling, automatic point monitoring, photochemical and optical sensor system, as well as remote monitoring. Passive monitoring is happens when diffusion tubes are taken in a particular contaminant from the air. No power supply is required. It takes 2 to 4 weeks for all the diffusion tubes to monitor the air. The tubes are then taken to the laboratory for examination to determine the number of contaminants detected. Active sampling. Here, a filter is used to take in pollutants from the ambient air, then sent to the laboratory for examination. With automatic point monitoring, during this monitoring method, a certain gas is pulled from the air through the analyzer to determine its concentration. Monitoring takes place 24 hours a day. The data collected is sent through a computer and data can be observed immediately. With photochemical and optical sensor system, the tool monitors a range of pollutants in the ambient air. The tools have a low sensitivity and mostly suitable to determine the pollution concentration at roadsides and near point sources. Data can be sent to a computer for examination. And lastly, remote monitoring. Here, pollution is detected from a light source to a detector positioned apart from each other at a site. Data can be transferred from the analyzer directly to the computer, therefore can be seen immediately. Air quality monitoring in South Africa. When it comes to Section 24 of the Constitution, along with the National Environmental Air Quality Act No. 39 of 2004, the government is charged with the role to ensure that South Africans are breathing air that is not harmful to their health and well-being. Ambient air quality refers to the measure of chemical and physical pollutant concentrations in the immediate surroundings that are exposed to the general population. What pollutants are monitored in South Africa? Well, there are over 130 fully automated air quality monitoring stations across the country. These stations monitor a range of pollutants, including ozone, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, particulate matter, both PM10 and PM25, nitrogen oxide, nitric acid, hydrogen sulfide, lead, and black carbon, also known as elementary carbon. These stations also provide useful data about the state of ambient air quality to which the citizens of the public are exposed. The reason we are concerned about air quality in South Africa is because of human health. According to UNEP article conducted in 2015, carbon dioxide and PM10 are the most emitted industrial air pollutants in the country. The findings of their study concluded that the concentration of sulfur dioxide in various regions is reducing, while that of PM10 remains the same or even increasing in some regions.